Thank you sa memories, never-ending support sa akin. And sabi ko nga last year na we are your first students as a teacher. My goal since the beginning is yung first year or second year mo as a teacher is maging maganda. Na hindi always seryoso, but also masaya din. Na every time you think of us is never-ending happiness and